Hey guys, it's me, Skylar Capri, and today I'm coming at you with a very late June Ipsy. My Ipsy bag came super duper late and normally doesn't come until around the 12th, but this month it came around the 17th. So it did come pretty late, and I did want to get a video up for you. My eyebrows are all messed up. Alright, cool. I'm not wearing that much makeup right now. I just got back from work, actually, so I thought I would film this real quick for you. Also, I did place an order on Shop Hush. I know that has been in the beauty news a while back. A lot of people were like, can this really be that good for the price? I did order I ordered one palette, and it was the Sugar palette by Face Candy, which is the Too Faced Sweet Peach dupe. I didn't buy it because it was a dupe for the Too Faced Sweet Peach. I bought it solely off the swatches, watching review videos. I do know that swatches don't really show you that much. And seeing other beauty gurus and other YouTube channels talk about it, share their thoughts, all that good stuff. So that's why I bought it, not because I wanted to buy the Too Faced Sweet Peach. If I wanted to buy that one, I would have bought that one a long time ago when it came out. I never really looked at it and went, that's a palette that I'm super duper interested in. And plus, with some of the shades, if they are a bit less pigmented in the Sugar palette by Face Candy, that's perfectly okay, because the darker shades, I really don't work with darker shades that much. I normally go for natural, sometimes a bold kind of fiery look here and there, but for every day it's not really realistic for me to have really dark and highly pigmented shadows that I can't easily work with. So now that I'm done with my little spiel there, we're going to get right on into this Ipsy bag. One of the items I did already use, and it was the BioBell Unicorn Glow Face Mask. It came in a set of 2, and I actually used that with my sister, so we already used those face masks. I already have used the majority of these products because I didn't want to add reviews onto this. I feel like that's really helpful, and I'm not really a fan of first impressions because you're not really sure how it actually works. So that's my little thoughts on Ipsy. So it was a nice mask. It did have an okay scent, and it included chocolate, honey, and I don't know, something else. But it was a pretty good mask. I'm not sure how expensive they are. I know you can order them on the Ipsy website, and I think you can get BioBell at Ulta, I believe. I'm not sure though, but if you can, I will make sure to link it down below so that you can find it. But now onto the rest of the items in the bag. So this is what the bag looked like this month. June's theme was flying colors, and I really like the bag. It's super cute. This bag is lined inside, so that's really nice. So if anything would spill, it does get on the lining of the bag, but not the bag itself. And I think this is a really perfect summery style bag that would be perfect to take to the beach or the pool, to hold your phone and your keys and that kind of stuff. So that was the bag. Starting off with one of my favorite items from this month. This is the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer Base Hydrating Primer. So this is what it looks like. It is just a teeny tiny sample. I do know that the full size of this is $37, so it is a pretty expensive primer. However, I haven't really heard anyone talking about this. I don't know if it's because it came out a long time ago or no one really jumped when they saw this, but this is really nice. I do have combination sensitive skin, and this is really nice. It's just hydrating enough so that I'm not dry, but it's not so hydrating that my T-zone looks like an oil spill at the end of the day. And I have had my makeup on for the majority of the day, and I think it looks pretty good. So I did use this primer. It is very nice. However, the full size is so expensive, and it makes me sad. But yeah, if you are on the fence about purchasing this or looking for a primer and not worrying about spending close to almost $40 on just a primer, I would definitely recommend this one. Next up is the Glow Tonic by Ipsy, and this is an exfoliating toner. It's the very highly used one, and it's like a peach color. I have used this. It did feel pretty nice on some of my more trouble areas on my skin right now. My skin is acting up a little bit. It did burn. I'm not sure if that's one of the qualities. It does say that it gently exfoliates and brightens, and that it's for all skin tones. I'm not sure if it was just because the spots where I put it on were acting up that day, but it did burn in those spots. But otherwise, it was pretty good. I do like the scent. It's just kind of a clean, almost sweet, fruity fragrance, which is really nice. And I overall think this is a pretty good product. It does leave your skin really glowing and really soft afterwards as well. Now the second to last product is a brush. This is a Luxie 245 small shader brush, and I normally get a brush in my box, which is very, very nice. It's always great to grow your brush collection. And this is a small shader brush, so this is going to be perfect for packing on shadows. So it is full size, and it does have the light pink base and the rose gold handle, and I did use it. It does look really clean right now because I recently washed all my brushes. If you would like to see any video on how I wash my brushes and what I use, just feel free to leave a comment down below. But very nice, awesome for packing on shadow or even applying concealer to cut the crease. And now the last product that actually still is in the box, and this is the shade Vacay from Pretty Woman. It is a nail polish, and it's kind of like a light white, kind of creamy beige shade. It's really different. It looks like that. I'm not sure if the camera's going to be picking it up okay. But the other shade this month was a lime green shade, and I was looking on the website. I did look ahead to make sure that my Ipsy was still on its way, and it was, but I did get a kind of sneak peek of the products. But I haven't used this yet, but I really like the color, and I really like Pretty Woman nail polishes. I have a purple one, a gray one, and a blue one that I've all gotten through Ipsy. Again, this color, let me double check, is the shade Vacay, in case you were wondering. Also, I'm not really sure where you can purchase Pretty Woman. I'm not sure if they have a website or if they're sold on the Ipsy website. I don't think you can get them at Ulta, and I'm not really sure how expensive they are, if they compare to Etsy or OPI. But this is a very, very nice color, and I will be getting some use out of this. Alright, so that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am trying to get around 2 videos up a week because I do work and I do have activities. Also, I am going on vacation in the future, like I'm sure many of you are, whether it will be your winter or summer break. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!